Hi everyone, and welcome back to Conquering Math, where it all adds up. I'm Pat Long, and this is problem of the day number 14, the smartwatch decision. Before we get started, I just want to remind you that you can find links below this video that contain PDFs of today's problem and of the upcoming problem. Let's take a look. Carlisha wants to buy a new smartwatch with wireless connection. No Cords Wireless offers the watch for $200 if she signs up for a plan that costs $10 per month for the wireless connection. Connect Anywhere Wireless offers the watch for $100 if she signs up for a plan that costs $15 per month for the wireless connection. How many months will it take for the two plans to have the exact same cost? Then once you know that, which plan is better if she decides to get rid of the watch before this time, and which plan is better if she decides to keep the watch for a longer time? We can set this up as an equation. What we'll do is we'll write an expression for each of the two costs, and we'll set them equal to each other because it says how many months will it take for the two plans to have the exact same cost. So we just set them equal to each other and solve. So let's start with No Cords. No Cords Wireless costs $200 for the watch and an additional $10 per month. So we'll do $10 times M, and M will be the number of months. So I'll write that down. M equals number of months that she owns the watch. Okay, and it's $200 that we spend, and it's another $10 a month, so that's addition. So that's for No Cords Wireless. For Connect Anywhere, she starts with $100 for the watch, and then another $15 per month. So that's $15 times the number of months, and again, it's addition. And since we want their costs to be the same, we just set them equal to each other. So now what we have to do is we have to get the variable terms on one side and the constant terms on the other side. A lot of times we like to have the variable on the left, but if I do that, I'm going to end up with negative numbers, and that's fine. It's not the end of the world, but it's a little more work. So instead, I'll move this over. So instead of plus 10m, I'll subtract 10m from both sides. So these cancel out, and that leaves me with 200 equals 100 plus, and then 15m minus 10m is 5m. Now I need to get rid of this 100. So since it's addition and it's positive 100, I can get rid of it by subtracting 100 from both sides. And that leaves me with 100 equals 5m. Now, this means that I need to get rid of this 5 here. Remember, 5m means 5 times m, so we can divide both sides by 5. And what we'll find is that m equals 100 divided by 5 is 20. And so remember, it's not $20. M stands for the number of months, so m equals 20 months. So this means that if Carlisha keeps the watch for exactly 20 months, it won't matter which plan she chooses, it will be the same cost. Now the second part of the question was to figure out if she's going to keep the watch for a longer or shorter time, which is the better plan. So what you could do is you could pick a number that's less than 20 months and plug it into each and see what the cost is. Then pick a number that's more than 20 months and plug it into each to see what the cost is. But I think we're just going to think about this for a little while. The No Cords Wireless plan is $200 at the start, and the Connect Anywhere Wireless is $100 at the start. So Connect Anywhere has a smaller cost up front, and No Cords has a higher cost up front. But then Connect Anywhere has a higher monthly cost, and No Cords has a lower monthly cost. So what Carlisha wants to do is, if she's going to keep it for a shorter time, she wants this plan. It has a low cost up front and a high cost per month. If she's going to keep it for a longer time, she wants this plan, the No Cords plan. Because yes, she pays more at the beginning, but she pays less per month. So if she keeps it for more than 20 months, she's paying less every single month. So what we can say is that the plans will have the same cost after 20 months. Carlisha is better off choosing Connect Anywhere Wireless if she is keeping the watch for a shorter time, and No Cords Wireless if she is planning to keep the watch for a longer time. Let's take a look at tomorrow's problem. So problem of the day number 15, laundry costs. Mr. Long needs to run his laundry machine an average of 2.4 times per day to wash his baby's laundry. Babies make a lot of messes. The machine uses 0.16 kilowatt hours per load of laundry. kWh stands for kilowatt hours, and it measures energy use. His electricity company charges him $0.25.4 per kilowatt hour. How much does Mr. Long pay to clean baby laundry every month? And assume that the month is 30 days. Round your answer to the nearest whole cent. So I hope that this video was useful for you. As always, remember that the links to the PDFs are found below the video. I'm Pat Long. Thanks for watching this episode of Conquering Math, where it all adds up, and I'll see you next time.